Hi friends, this is Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. We've really, until I get it outside, the last video of the finished Escort. We've put a lot of time and effort into this car and I think it shows. It's been an extremely big job. We've removed the mirrors, repainted the mirrors, wiper arms down to the metal, refurbed those, washer jets refurbed and cleaned and treated in plastic. The bumper cappings, of course you've seen the grille being done, bumper cappings have been done, the headlights, the flasher lamps, and of course the paintwork, which I'm more than pleased with, and the owner's been to look at it today and he's more than pleased with what's been done to his car. I have to say it's took a lot of patience, a lot of skill, but it's very satisfying at the end when you see the car finished and looking really nice. I'll get a better video when it's outside so that we can get the whole car in. Although my light room's quite big, it's not big enough to stand back far enough to get the whole car really. But this side, as you know, was in a real bad way, with craters down this panel. As you can see, they're now gone. The repair around the rear here is now gone. Bumper cappings have come up quite nice, as the rest of the car really. The tailgate, as you know, I was repainting it. We've repainted the lower half of the tailgate and I've put a new badge on, the new Ford badge this side, and I'm waiting for the graphics that go this side to put it back to how it was when it arrived. I'm sure you'll agree that the car's looking very nice, and I'm sure it's added a bit to the value of the car. Certainly isn't going to get laughed out the park if it's taken to any shows. I suppose in some ways I'm glad I've finished it. You know, it's been a few weeks of worry and, you know, I suppose a bit timid with the polishing, but the result says it all. You know, it's been a satisfying job, like I say. Probably not the best finish I've ever done, but certainly the most amount of work to create this finish that I've ever done. I'll get a video when it's taken outside and try and get a better look. It should look spectacular when it goes outside, because this is under critical lights and it looks good in here, so it should look mega outside. Well, thanks a lot for watching the series of work, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing the next one. Let's hope it's a bit easier than this one, but they're all satisfying when they're done. So until the next one, see you soon.